All right, so if I'm buying a safe, and you don't just sell the safes. There's all kinds of accessories. Is that right? And things that I can add on. Like
Absolutely.
what kind of things
All
could I add on?
kinds of all sorts of things too. It maximizes. You can buy things to maximize the space on the inside of the safe. There are accessories like lights, an outlet kit, a dehumidifier. You can put
What?
pistol.
I've always wondered about that. The dehumidifier. What is that for? If I have like special documents, or is it
The
for?
dehumidifier especially comes in handy if you're putting your safe in a garage or a storeroom or a room that is not insulated or a room that has no air return.
Gotcha,
Right.
gotcha. Okay, to keep it climate controlled inside.
Well, yes, exactly.
Or keeps it.
It
keeps
gives,
it. Yeah.
yes, it keeps the moisture down on the inside of the safe to keep the guns from rusting. You never set a safe directly on a concrete floor. That's a no-no. You
Okay.
have to put safe bases under those, and safe bases are just little strips of Teflon. They're only a 1/4 inch thick, and they're only 18 inches long and 1 inch wide, and that raises the safe off of the concrete by just a 1/4 inch, and that gives you airflow under it.
Well, that's why we should hire y'all. I didn't have a clue. I needed safe.
So it doesn't draw
Yeah.
moisture from the slab.
It makes sense.
Right. So that's especially if you're putting it in a utility room or in a garage.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And so the dehumidifiers come in real handy. We've got one that just circulates the air. It's called a PEAT. And it's made by the company that makes the PEAT boot dryer. So anyway,
okay.
all that does is circulate air inside the safe, okay? And then the other one that's been around for probably 30 years is a rod. A lot of people call them a golden rod, but this is just a dry rod. And Liberty has one that has an over-the-counter exchange. It's $19.99. So
okay.
yeah, so if it stops working, you just bring it back.
Yeah.
We'll give you a new one.
Okay.
All those things are important if you're putting your safe in a place that's not air conditioned.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
But the other accessories that we have are hanging pistol holders, pistol racks, where let's say
Okay.
you got 6 pistols, you don't want to just lay all the pistols on the shelf in the safe because that takes up too much room. But if you can set the pistols on a pistol rack and they be in one area inside the safe, then you've got room for other things.
Gotcha.
So you just have to learn how to organize what you've got.
And I feel like I've seen something on a door too, right?
Oh, yeah.
Is that
Pistol
another
pocket?
pistol
Sure.
pocket? Okay.
Some safes have it, some
Okay.
don't, so you can add it.
Gotcha. Gotcha.